kind Kondiva. Once the king was reading through a village. He saw Kondiva. Kondiva was doing a hole. Good morning, Kondiva. Good morning, O king. What are you doing? I am planting a tree. What tree is this? It's a mango tree. When we eat deer fruit after many years, Kondiva, you look so old. What else is this tree to you then? O king, I am not planting this tree for myself. I am planting it for others. After many years, other people will come here. They will sit in the salt of this tree. Shade of this tree. They will get the mangoes. Kondiva, you are such a kind man. You have taught me a lesson. Now I will also work for others.